Today I show you how to make Nduja pasta in under 15 minutes. This quick and easy pasta recipe is packed with flavor, perfect for anyone who loves a little spice, and it's super simple to make. Add some high quality olive oil to the pan. This is the perfect base as it not only adds the flavor but also brings healthy fats to your dish. Grab the garlic, peel it and chop it into even pieces. As you chop, it releases something called allicin. This compound is not only responsible for the typical garlic smell, but it also has amazing health benefits, such as antibacterial properties. The more allicin that's released, the healthier and more flavorful the garlic becomes. Cut the chin into small pieces. This fiery ingredient really packs a punch. It has twice the vitamin C of a lemon. Plus, the capsaicin it contains helps lower cholesterol and boosts circulation. This vegetable is a truly natural powerhouse. Turn on the stove to the lowest setting and let it simmer for about as long as the pasta cooks. Salt and cook the spaghetti 2 minutes less than the packet's instructions. I'll explain why in a bit. Now let's focus on our main ingredient, rich and flavorful Nduja. We'll need about 50 grams or 1.7 ounces. It's a spicy spreadable sausage from Calabria, made from 50 to 70% pork, 30 to 50% chili peppers and a bit of salt. You can spread it on bread, use it on pizza or add it on a delicious pasta recipe. For this Nduja recipe we also need Tajasca olives. These intense flavorful olives are a specialty from Liguria. They're preserved in olive oil and taste much more aromatic than regular olives. Now that the spaghetti are al dente, you can add it to the pan with the Nduja sausage and the so-called sofrito. Now, as promised, we cook the spaghetti 2 minutes less because we finished cooking it in the pan. This way it absorbs the flavor better and doesn't overcook. Plus it creates a wonderfully creamy texture. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so YouTube recommends us to more people. If you'd prefer a vegetarian pasta, click here for our delicious broccoli pasta recipe. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Ciao!